Welcome back to this lecture. Now in this lecture, we're going to bring in the image as a background for the dashboard. So before we do that, let's copy this, or better move this data to the very bottom here. To select the entire object, move it to the right. Okay, we can reduce the size like this here also. And now it's time to bring the picture. So to do that, page layout and select background, the image, and it's going to be with file. And so for the new business, this is the image we want. So select that, and as you can see, we got the background perfectly. And as you can see now, the donut chart has the outline which we don't want. So good that we notice now, and that's gone. And now, as I mentioned before, depending upon the background we have, the charts elements are now dark, which we cannot see now because the image itself, the background itself is dark. So we're going to change that as well, make it brighter. And before we do that, let's choose all these 4 charts and make some space on the top for our heading. So go to insert shapes, and let's choose this kind of shape and no outline, and I want really dark color like this, a dark blue color. And let's give it a name of the company. I'm gonna give Exotropia Inc., whatever name of your company you can give, and let's keep the font to something like this. This font, I'm gonna choose that, and let's increase the size and ensure that they are in the middle but aligned to the left. So this is the name of my company and the title here. And now I want one more title like this: Financial Performance Dashboard. Now this would be on the right side. So press space. So now this is the title of our dashboard. Now let's change the elements. So first thing we're gonna do is select this chart, okay, and ensure that everything is bright, but except this element. Okay, so this looks okay. Second chart, select entirely like this and choose the white font color. Similarly for the last chart. Now we need to bring a shape that is a background for this chart so that it looks better. And let's make some space to the right. Now go to insert shapes, rectangular shape like this, covering this. Now it's covering entire visual because it is in front. So you need to go to shape format and click send it back like this. And now choose the color you want. I'm gonna choose this kind of color. Okay, but it matches with the background. So let's keep some contrast. So I'm gonna choose this color. And here, I feel that the font is still bigger. Let's make it 12. Okay. So now it looks better. You can adjust it always. And now you can always group the background which we just added, which is just a shape, and also the entire chart element, that is all these 3 charts grouped together. So to do that, again, choose all of that and go to group and group. Now you can see the background and all the 3 charts are one shape, and you can resize them, move them wherever you want. So let's keep it inside our heading like this. So after exit Pro BI, this title, keep it inside. So in the next lecture, we're gonna do same background and change the elements color for the other charts as well. If you have any questions, please let me know in the Q&A section below. Thank you so much for watching.